Hello guys, and this will show you how to download too many items on Minecraft 1.8.1 or Minecraft 1.8. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna go to my downloads, link in the description. After download that, you're gonna go to your download and here click my download and click extract here. After extract here, you will see a folder named Mr. Dead RTX 100 TMI 1.8 Minecraft. Click that and click Minecraft X properties. Find target. Sorry for that. This is my shortcut of Minecraft. So this is the easy way. Start, run, percent update percent. Okay, and click that Minecraft. Click bin. Make sure you copy Minecraft jar. If it not work, so copy that. Maybe it's not work or may work. Mine is working, so I delete my Minecraft jar. So I click Minecraft, open with. Choose if there's no WinRAR archive in here, click choose program. If there's WinRAR archiver in here, click WinRAR archiver. So after done that, go to my download. So there you are. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. Always delete meta inf or the mod will not work. So drag all the files in here and you're done. Let's test it. Just for a second, let's test it. Modding. Ah, there you are. Ah, what the fuck? Why it's so laggy? So press E and there you are. To press O again to turn on, and you're done. I will let cheat cause the cheat sucks. So goodbye.